Hello, guys, and welcome to today's market recap. No. There's no market recap today. Instead, there is a trade recap. and guess, and guess, hold on. I just want to make sure that you don't see the trade. Today, I took longs. Alright? On GJ. I took longs right here. And my take profit all the way up to these London session highs. My stop loss right here. Ready for the 1 to 4 risk reward that I won, huh? Ready for the risk reward? The 4 hour. I get that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Man, this shit can't be fucking real, man. This shit can't be real, man. This shit can't be real, man. By fucking not even 1 pip. 1 to 1 0.6 pips. 0.6 pips, and the trade literally hit my fucking take profit. You may say, your take profit is not all the way up to there. Well, listen to me, little Timmy. I have a proof for that. Before I even took the trade. Damn, bro, life is crazy. No, this before I even look for the setup, I was waiting for the retracement right here, and I entered pretty much right here. But hey, man, another day, another loss, bro. Listen to me. This trade could have literally getting me out of the drawdown. Literally getting me out of the drawdown. 1 to 4 is to reward 4%. 4 fucking percent, and I already made 3% in the last trade. That's like 7%. Or even more. No, 7%. Literally, I'll be back at break even on the account. Bro, I would have been so much fucking happy and grateful if this trade even, like, if the trade idea wasn't validated and we continued going lower. I will don't give a fuck. I will not give a single fucking damn fuck. Because I followed my trading plan, I followed my trading rules, I executed fucking patiently. I put in my take profit very realistically at a very clear drawn liquidity. I put my stop loss at a very fucking clear drawn liquidity. I entered right when I should enter. I waited patiently. I entered without fucking emotions. I did everything I'm supposed to do. And today I'm literally and as I told you, I entered pretty much where I should. Like, look at this. Look at my fucking drawn liquidity. It's so fucking obvious and so much fucking clear. Just when we took out this London session highs, boom. So to break it down to you, I had really bullish buys due to the, first of all, the daily order block right here and the 4 hour. We took out these lows, we took out these lows, and we took out these all the way down daily lows. And with that, I said there's a bearish share value gap that needs to be filled on the 4 hour, and the market has been just dumping to the downside without any retracement. So I think this is the time where all the draws on liquidity on the sell side liquidities got taken out, and it's time for buy side liquidities to get taken out. So I waited on New York session. We came down. We took out these lows. Internal range liquidity got swept. London session lows got swept. We made a huge SMT with the USD GPY. A huge bullish SMT. I waited for a 15-minute inversion of the fair value gap to invalidate the bullish order flow. Oh no, where is it? Right here. This fair value gap got ran through. I scaled down to the 5-minute. I see this 5-minute fair value gap. Hold on. I see this 5-minute fair value gap. Price reversed into it, hit it equilibrium. I waited for a rejection and inversion of a fair value gap. This did not happen. We came down. We took out internal range liquidity on the 1-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame. Then I waited for a 1-minute inversion right here. That happened. Breakout structure, inversion fair value gap, retrace into the inverse fair value gap. Then we inverse fair value gap right away another time. Then I spotted on this breaker block and this fair value gap. I didn't want to enter right here. I was waiting patiently for the trade, for the retracement to enter in a good spot. Waited for the retracement, happened. Boom, inverse fair value gap, breakout structure, candle closed above that level. Boom, entered the trade. My stop loss. See this fair value gap? And see this fair value gap, tiniest fair value gap on the 1-minute. I said I'm not going to take set my stop loss at these lows. I'm going to make sure if price is going to make me dirty, it's not going to do that. So I gonna make some space for my stop loss, and I'm going to set the stop loss below that fair value gap and below that recent low, below even the fair value gap, and at around the 50% or even below the last fair value gap. Like price literally took me out on that motherfucker by 0.5 pips. Damn, fucking damn. I'm not fucking mad at this trade because it's a fucking, I waited like I was very fucking good in losing this trade. I did not have any fucking problem in losing this trade. But the thing that I was not planning for is this motherfucker doing me this dirty. And I was very fucking mad. Very fucking mad. Because this shit is embarrassing. After a losing streak and getting out of a losing streak, getting wiped out by this fucking I don't know what. I don't know why we did even retrace down right here. Bro, I was very unlucky on this trade, I can't lie. But at the end of the day, I'm not worried about the loss because it's a tiny loss as a 1% as always, and I already did the 3% last week, so we're not very looking too dangerous right now. So like the bias is actually, at least the trade ID is looking good. At least I'm getting all the trends again and hitting up trades and being right on the bias and everything. So this wouldn't be a problem. But hey man, the game is a game. I got fucked on this thing. Bro, I got so fucked on this thing. I can't lie, bro. Even though any fucking professional trader, if he got something like this, he'll fucking crash out, bro. I told you that I already looked up for YouTube to see if there's any other trader this shit happens to them, and I found like 3 or 4 traders this same thing happened to me. But it's a manipulation. I know it's a manipulation, but not this. Like I got stopped out, like and right straight price goes into my take profit, but not this bad I've never experienced this shit before. Yes, I experienced price taking out my stop loss before taking out my TP. Yes, I experienced that multiple fucking times. But by not this fucking... Oh, you know what? I'm going to show you. Fuck it, I'm going to show you my execution on MetaTrader. Look. Entries right here, stopped out right here. Like, how fucking bad that could be. How fucking bad that could be, bro. But it is what it is. I'm sure I will make so much bangers in the next couple of weeks. I hope we get back on the trench. This week hasn't been the good, best week because I'm very busy. I have work to do and everything, so I will not make an excuse. But yeah, it is what it is. There is a lot of manipulation. Yesterday, Trump's fucking fucked the markets. Today we had Jerome Powell speak at 4, and I traded at 5 after the Powell completed his speech, so I don't get manipulated, and I did. So another day, another loss. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow's crypto video.